Today it's Tuesday, October 1st, 2024. SL65 2005, right? Yes, it is 2005 with 96,703 kilometers. 97 we're gonna call it. It's not a checkup, the car is here for a electrical problem. We have changed both ignition coil packs and we have changed this controller for the ignition coils, and the ECU inside has one burnt capacitor that I have already changed it, but I don't think it's gonna be only the capacitor, and we have to send it to someone to check the ECU. What's happening, it's shutting down one bank. Except of this, like I said, it's electrical. Let me show you the picture of the capacitor, because I get a picture. On the right side there are two same capacitors, one on the right side, one on the left side. The left is okay, the right one it's bent. Let me show you. This how it's supposed to looks like the capacitor, okay? This from the other side, and this is how it looks like this one. Now I changed it, but still same thing. Yeah, let's go out. Like I said, we have to send the ECU to someone to check it properly and not changing only one capacitor. I don't know what's going on more. Then some other jobs that need to be done from our side. Let's lift up the car to show you. Yeah, brake rotor has seen some better days. It's not for daily. The car belongs to a person that he's not driving daily. He's storaging the car. Now, except of the brake rotors, has some minor cracks here. All right. There is another one thing that's wrong. What's the oil pan? Where it sits? It sits very low, and there is also this piece here that's touching on these two beams, on these two. Why? Because the engine mounts are gone, are completely gone. It sits the engine mount bracket on the it fell down all the engine. It's not on the right height, and most probably here. You know what does mean that one? More weld for me. Dang it. It ate the oil pan and it went inside. But again, there is a minor leak also from here up. I see a wet spot also from up. In any case, what's the plan now? Engine out. Alright. Engine out to change the engine mounts, because there are the 3 bolts that's under the turbocharger. We order the seals, O-rings, gaskets for the turbocharger lines, for the oil feed, for the oil return, the same thing that goes up. We have ordered the seal that comes here with these rubbers and this one, and the ground piece. There is one copper leaf as a ground. This one I'm talking about. I have ordered 2 new. Focus, stupid thing. One it's enough, I'm using 2. Don't ask why, that's what I'm doing. Alright, so it's mostly maintenance. It's in very good condition, the car, just we have some small things here and there. Like I said, it doesn't even have a number plate, the car. It's not, it's just storaging. Alright, it's not a full checkup, just this will gonna be the first part. Next part will gonna be with the engine down. Most probably we're gonna put on engine stand the engine for a peace of mind. Crankshaft rear seal, since we're gonna be out, it's a good thing to change it, and the same thing also for the damper pulley seal front, one time, right? We order also the seals for the oil pump. since I have to open the oil pan down, it's good chance. And that's it pretty much. Next part, to see the damage on the oil pan here, to see the condition of the engine mounts and the rest of the things. Alright, like I said, that's the first part. That's it for now. Thank you very much. Over and out. Small video, yeah, 5.5 minutes, not bad.